The past 20 years witnessed the starting point and original aspiration of our customers and Hicon Industry. We participated in setting industry standards. We realized that our products meet EU certification requirements. We have gone from China to the world. We have never stopped making efforts. We have been focusing on precision special refrigeration and innovative environmentally friendly air conditioners. Hicon Industry has witnessed 20 years of glory, serving a better life with innovative products. Gather momentum. As of now, the company holds more than 100 core patents and has collaborated with research institutions such as Hefei General Machinery Research Institute, Tsinghua University, Dalian University of Technology, Zhejiang University, and Hangzhou Danzi University, etc. These collaborations have allowed for continuous technological innovation and the enhancement of the company's core competitiveness. The company boasts advanced production lines for specialty air conditioning and commercial air conditioning, along with an enthalpy difference testing laboratory and key equipment imported from the United States, Japan, and Germany. It has also been granted national level authorization for experimental and testing centers, with testing results recognized in over 50 countries worldwide. Furthermore, the company has received qualifications and recognition within the refrigeration and air conditioning industry of China, including the certification of testing equipment and inclusion as a collaborative laboratory in the Chinese Association for Quality Inspection. Hicon Industry's advanced intelligent factory excels in precision manufacturing for each component, precise operation of every piece of equipment, continuous improvement and optimization of processes, and rigorous testing of every product. All of these efforts are aimed at delivering a high-quality experience for customers. Set sail. Its products find extensive applications in key national projects and industries, including steel and metallurgy, automotive manufacturing, optical manufacturing, petrochemicals, medical equipment, high-speed rail stations, 5G communications, coal coking, aerospace and shipbuilding, precision machinery, power generation and paper making, industrial refrigeration, grain storage, precision control, agriculture, and energy storage, etc. Relied on outstanding products and a comprehensive service system, Hicon Industry has established excellent partnerships with world-renowned companies such as Schneider, ABB, Siemens, and Philips. Its products have also been adopted by prominent organizations and projects, including Sinopec, PetroChina, CNOOC, Shogun Group, Nippon Steel Corporation, Fuyao Group, China Chengda, China National Chemical Corporation, and the China Steel Belt and Road Initiative. It has collaborated with Navenco, the Shanxi Satellite Launch Center Assembly Workshop, and the Beijing Shouan High-Speed Rail Station Transportation Hub, etc. Additionally, Hicon Industry served as an equipment supplier for the 19th Asian Games in Hangzhou, showcasing its strong capabilities and innovative drive.